Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to extract RAR files on your PC. So it is very easy. This is the RAR file in my PC which I want to extract. So for that I'll just go to Chrome, or also you can just open any browser on your PC, and then here we need to type in the search bar 7-zip, just like this. And once you hit enter, here you will see the first site. We need to click here. Now here, if your operating system is 32-bit, install this one, and if your operating system is 64-bit, install this one. Mine one is 64-bit, so I'll just select this, and yeah, you can see the downloading is started and it is finished. Once the download is finished, just locate to the folder where you have downloaded the file. The file I have downloaded is in this downloads folder, so I'll just open it. Now this is the software, so we just need to install this. So for that, just double click on the software, then Windows security pop-up will open. So there you just need to click on yes. Once you do that, here you will see the option for install, so just click on install, and yeah, the software is installed, so we can just click on close here. So now as we install 7-zip software in our PC, it's time to extract this file. So for that, just hit right click on the file, then here we need to click on show more options. Here we need to look for the option 7-zip, here you can see, and under 7-zip we need to click on extract files. So here you can just choose the location where you want to extract this. I want to extract it right here, so I'll just keep this path as it is, and then here we just need to click on OK. And yeah, here you can see we got the folder by the name of sample. This is the same name right here also. So if I click on the sample folder, here you can see these are the files which were in the RAR file. So that's how you can extract RAR files on your PC. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.